Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 3 divided by a minus 2a divided by 1 minus a is equals to 2, and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm taking LCM of denominator. So LCM of a and 1 minus a is a times 1 minus a. So we can write here a times 1 minus a, and in numerator with 3 we multiply 1 minus a, and with minus 2a we multiply by a is equals to 2. Now we solve the bracket. So here 3 multiply 1 is 3, and 3 multiply with minus a is minus 3a, minus 2a multiply with a is minus 2a square. Similarly, we do the multiplication in denominator also. So here a multiply 1 is a, and a multiply minus a is a square. It's equals to 2 divided by 1. Now we are doing cross multiplication. So here 3 minus 3a minus 2a square is equals to 2 times a minus a square. Now we'll solve the bracket on right hand side. 2a minus 2a square. So we'll take all terms together. So 3 minus 3a minus 2a square. This plus 2a comes to this side, minus 2a, and this minus 2a square comes to this side, plus 2a square is equals to 0. So we will eliminate minus 2a square with plus 2a square, and here 3 minus minus is minus 5a plus is equals to 0. Now I'm taking this minus 5a to other side. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So the value of a is 3 by 5. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.